Hi, my name is David Adelson, and someone once asked me, what do they need to be happy? And it's an interesting question because it's actually easier to be happy than it is to be unhappy. To be happy, you just have to accept the world as it is and yourself as you are. To be unhappy, you have to do a comparison. You have to find this versus this. I like this, I don't like this. There's a whole bunch of work involved, so it's actually harder to be unhappy, and yet most of us are unhappy. And the reason is that we have been programmed, trained, taught from growing from very early stages what's wrong with that, or the teacher over our shoulder going, that's not right. So we're constantly on the edge of, I don't want to do wrong because somebody will yell at me. And we need to get all that out of the way and just choose happiness. So when we choose happiness, and just it's our choice to choose what we want in life, and we can choose happiness. It's said that there are 100,000 wonderful things happening in every moment between heaven and earth, and if we choose to notice those, we don't even have time to notice all of those. What to say if to notice the things that don't bring us happiness? So unless we're loving complaining, in which case we're loving it, and we're happy complaining, in which case that's your bliss and you're already happy because you're doing what you like, we want to move complaining off the table. And what we want to start doing is noticing what brings us joy, noticing the things around us that make us happy, and stop putting our attention on the things that don't make us happy. If we're sitting in the classroom and we're bored by what's being presented, or we don't like the test and we look out the window and there's a bird singing, enjoy the bird singing and don't put all of your energy on complaining about the other things around you. Allow yourself to notice where you find happiness, whether it's music, it's art, friendship, love, anything. Whatever it is, just start noticing where you notice happiness now. That's the first thing that we want to do. The second thing we want to do is ask for happiness. Ask to be happy. Most of us, we get up in the morning and we think of our to-do list and we go through the grind and we never think of what do we want to experience today. Well, starting today, starting tomorrow, every day when you get up, just say, I'd like to be happy today. I'm asking for happiness. Show me happiness. And then let that be part of your day. Intend it. Number 3, intend it. Intend to be happy. Normally, we have no intention. Our intention is to get through our to-do list, to get through the day, not get yelled at, don't get caught by the boss, whatever it is. We want to start intending happiness as a purpose to our lives. And we start intending it in a way that we look for it to increase, not just day by day, but to increase more as the years, months, days, years go by. We want more and more happiness in our life. In addition to intending it, we want to expect it. No more of this worry, what if this happens, or what if they're not there when we arrive, or what if the movie starts when we're there, or what if we go to the wrong theater and it's the wrong movie playing, and no more worrying about, worrying is creating what you don't want. Just get rid of that and expect the best. Think what the ideal will be, think what will make you happy, and don't entertain. Entertain means don't allow, don't lean into, don't think about any of the things that don't make you happy. Receive it is number 5. Receiving happiness, receiving grace, receiving the good things. So many people resist it because they feel they're not worthy, because they feel they haven't done enough, or they can't have happiness until they finish A, B, C, D. Forget all that. You can receive happiness now because you're a child of the divine and you deserve it. Just allow yourself to receive it. Let go of all the beliefs that there's something that needs to be done before you can have it. Number 6, be grateful for it. When things happen, however large or small, appreciate what happens. Send gratitude out. Gratitude is like a megaphone to the cosmos, to the divine, saying, yes, I like this. And that opens the communication to get more. So when we're grateful, be grateful for what you want even before you have it. And when you can be sincerely grateful, expecting it, receiving it, intending it, asking for it, when you can be sincerely grateful, knowing it's coming, trusting that it's coming even before it's here, then you've really anchored happiness. Number 7 is allow it. Just allow happiness. Stop rejecting it. Stop putting conditions on it. Stop saying, well, if it's an apple and it's red and it's this big, I'll take it. But if it's this big, or if it's a different color, I can't be happy with this apple. Therefore, I can't be happy. And oh, poor me, my life is miserable. Just allow it. Once you start having things, more please, ask for more. When you get a little bit of happiness, ask for a lot of happiness. When you get a lot of happiness, ask for unbounded bliss. Just don't stop. Just keep going. And number 9, again and again and again and again. Just keep doing this for the rest of your whole life. Now, I've just given you, a whole bunch of points about how you can be happy for the rest of your life. We're going to be spending 2 days in September 22nd and 23rd, on a program, How to Live Heaven on Earth Now. We're going to be doing dozens of ways of techniques that you can use to clear yourself. We'll be clearing you. We'll be giving you information you need. It will completely change your life in the way of allowing you to start establishing your life in heaven on earth immediately during and after this event. We'll be telling you some really cool other things to go. And to just give you an idea of what we've got in store for you, I'm going to give you a little secret. And the secret is that you've heard of the Garden of Eden. It never left. Wouldn't you like to find it?